Welcome to Get Healthy with Dr. Cooper. You're in the kitchen with the doctor today again, and my goal is to show you how to use whole food to prevent diseases. You know, there's a surge of diabetes and obesity as a result of the food we eat. So today on the show, I have for you vegan banana muffin. Very interesting. We're going to be using whole wheat. So we're going to be needing 1 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour. We're going to pour it right there. To that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. We're going to add a pinch of salt. You have to be very careful with the salt, especially if you have high blood pressure. We're going to mix our dry ingredients together. And to that, we're going to be adding our sweetener. We're going to be using 2/3 cups of crushed pineapple to sweeten this muffin. We want to stay away from processed sugar. To that, I'll add my banana. 1 banana crushed, or 1/2 cup of banana. And then, of course, we're going to be adding some dry fruit, raisin. And that is 1/2 cup of raisin. These are going to be your sweetener here. Then we're going to be adding a teaspoon of nutmeg or cinnamon. That's for the flavor. And then some vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And to that, we're adding 2/3 cups of nut milk. You could use almond nut or soybean nut milk. You know that regular milk is high in cholesterol. Cholesterol is bad for the arteries. You can have coronary artery disease. So we want to stay away from the milk. We're going to be adding now some nuts. I'm adding, you could add any nuts you like. Here I'm adding walnuts. You could also add pecan nuts. You're going to mix that together very well. And then you're going to pour this in your muffin container. So I have here mini muffin container, because I don't want you to overeat, because too much of a good thing could also cause problems. You have to be very moderate in whatever you eat. So you could use a non-stick pan like this, and you're going to add a small amount. You're going to fill the cups, and you're going to be baking this for 1/2 hour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we're going to fill this, and I'm not going to continue because I have some already prepared for you right here. Very delicious, and I have decorated with the berries. Now, if you're diabetic, you have to be very careful with whatever grain you eat. And remember, diabetics should have a lot of berries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, because this would allow you to have decreased blood sugar. Now, for more recipes, go to my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.tv. I'll see you again in another episode.